well done, or just got them tacked on, but that seat I can bolt to these little piece of angle I welded in there. Alright, so we got the body put back on just to see how it fit with the seat. There's still a little bit of trimming going to need done on that. And then I went and got the steering wheel off of the old lime green go-kart. It was the first one I ever did on my channel. And it's like perfect size. I had another one over there, but it's way too big. It's huge in there. This one's actually a little big, but it's a lot smaller than those ones, about 2 inches smaller. So I already had him set in there and hold it out to where he felt comfortable and looked comfortable. And then down here, it just it comes down right through there. And what I'm gonna do is probably switch these around, put this on the back side. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll bring you with me. So I got the seat in, and I got the steering wheel and steering stem, and I was going to move on to the tie rods, but I had everything tacked together, and I must not have had a very good tack on this here. So when I was trying to push this steering stem through the plastic right there, I must have put too much pressure down and broke that off. So I'm gonna get this welded back on, and I'll show you how I did the steering here. Okay, so it'll be right between the chain and the exhaust, that's pretty cool. Worked out good, but this was on the foiler frame right here. Yeah, right here. And it held the old steering stem. So what I did is I took that steering stem and I just reused it. And it's a little low. It's got a little play, but it's not bad. So it's got that there holding it. Got a little bushing in there. And then down here, right here was the stock thing off the foiler on the bottom. So it's held on right there. It's got a nut and stuff on the bottom, got bearings in that. And then you got this. So it's kind of hard to get my welder and attack it. So I'm gonna end up taking this motor off whenever I weld everything. I'll fully weld that. But anyway, thanks for watching, and if you guys are enjoying this little build, I know it's been a long time since I put a video on of this. I had so much going on, and then getting parts. I didn't have the money then, and then now I got all the parts, so I'm starting back on it. But I'm building the street bike powered lawnmower, and I had to give the hubs that was on the axle on the mower itself I thought they was 1 inch. Here, they're 1 1/8 inches, so it ain't gonna work on the axle from Go Power Sports that I got. So I ended up taking the hubs, a wheel, and it's a weld-on hub that you can get from Tractor Supply. You can weld them to like their sprockets and stuff that they have. And I took them over to the machine shop, and I told them I needed a pretty much a plate with the bolt pattern, and then a hole in the center that I could weld that thing to. So the only hub that I had though was from this the Jeep for the rear sprocket. So I can't move on to there yet. Let's say next I'm going to get the floor put in and the chain on, so I can make a chain guard, and then I can start working on pedals and stuff. And after that, I mean, gas tank and exhaust. I got to route the exhaust out the back, and it's got to be quiet, pretty quiet, because he's not a big fan of really loud stuff yet. So if you like the video, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.